Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off the vibration on your iPhone. If you don't like it when your iPhone vibrates in games or when the sound is turned off, you can turn it off. How to do this? Very simple. You go into the settings of your iPhone and find the item accessibility. Now click the item touch. Go down and find the item vibration. You turn off this checkbox. Then all the vibration on our iPhone will stop working, and we will not be disturbed by any extra functions. If you want to turn on vibration, read what is written here, and then we can turn this checkbox on again. So that's the simple and working way. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.